in the key. About the cop, never land, Michael up in the tree. You got bars and still broke, might as well take a plea. Be in the bando, or would you rather move with Don Pablo? Just to get her back.
Okay, so this is liquid frost without any daylight, just one little light above me, and it is blinding. These are two shades mixed together. Hi, Glow. Of course, I'm gonna be doing a big reveal video for the liquid frost, but I just wanted to hop on here and say hi, do a quick little Snapchat announcement and a little Instagram story. Here she is. I can't believe they are finally coming out next Friday, August 24th. You can see these are pretty big when you hold it up. Oh, hi. Bam. They are pretty big. There's a lot of product in here and the glow is extreme. Now you can mix this with foundations, with your lotion, of course, if you want to dim it down. If you want a crazy reflective glow, of course, you can put it straight on by itself. There are 8 shades. So now, of course, there is a shade for everyone, and I threw in a few non-conventional, weird shades for my aliens out there. One of my favorites is Frozen Peach. It is stunning all over the body. I just love putting highlighter everywhere. I even put it on my feet in Hawaii when I was at the pool. Obsessed. But I am going to be doing a reveal video tomorrow, so I will have that up in a few days on my channel, and I am so excited for this launch. If you want the prices for this product and all other info, go to my Instagram and it is all there. All right, let me know what your thoughts are. Tweet me, let me know, and thanks for watching. I didn't tell Shane that I've been weighing on my shoulders for weeks now. Something that I really want to get off my chest, and a few really personal things that I really want to share that I didn't get to share with Shane, that I was scared to share with him. So I finally got the strength today. I've sat down 3 times now over the last 2 weeks, and I just couldn't do it. I couldn't film, but I'm feeling good and I feel a lot better. I'm halfway in and I feel like 20,000 bricks are off my shoulder. And I can't wait to share this video with you guys. So I hope everyone is having an amazing night. I am going to finish the story time and go to sleep. So I will talk to you guys in the morning. I love you. Hi everyone, how are ya? Bitch, I am so tired. It was hard to sleep last night after filming, and girl, I need some more sleep. But I just wanted to say hi to everyone. I am about to feed the dogs and just relax. My security team is over here and we're just chilling, playing pinball, and they might make me some breakfast, girl. We love a team that fucking likes to help out in the morning. Anyone else sleep with their bodyguard that's armed and dangerous? Okay. They had a crazy break-in. I don't know their security system layout. I don't even know if they had an alarm on when they were gone. But it's a little spooky because they don't live in the same neighborhood as me. I don't think they live in a gated community. But they were broken into, and their house is big, and they're obviously very famous. So it puts you in a weird state of like, what's going on in Calabasas type of weird vibes. So I have a crazy security system in my house. If you like touch one of the windows from the outside, I get an alert. You know, we're armed, we're dangerous. But I'm just someone that doesn't live in fear. I'm like, you want to come in? Let's go, bitch. Let's go. What's good? I don't live in fear, but my house is a fucking fort. Someone made a joke the other day. Someone I didn't know, okay? And they go, oh, Jeffree's all alone in that house right now while Nate's gone this week. I'm like, girl, do you know who's at my house? Because I got 2 bodyguards sleeping here, girl. I'm not playing games. I would never sleep in my house alone. It's just not safe in this day and age. So, excuse my morning rant. I hope the Ace family is doing okay. It is very disturbing. Girl. I'm really gonna need someone in the government to write down this week as the week of karma, okay? I need it in the history books. I need some philosophers to write it down, girl. Because this week, karma has done its due diligence. And it's just started too, by the way. When y'all see all the truths that are about to be revealed by other people, while we're just sitting back, living our lives, enjoying our lives, being productive, being amazing, being... I don't know why people try me. I don't know why people act the way they do. I know how I act. I know who I am. And I'm working on a new me every day. Other people, I don't know. All I know is that some people tried to bully me and they really ended up ending themselves. Imagine. I just went on Twitter. Imagine not uploading an apology video. Imagine not uploading a fucking apology video and speaking to your audience that pays your motherfucking bills. Imagine just saying, nah, and going back to uploading a makeup review. Imagine no one personally apologizing to me except the sacrificial lamb. Y'all already knew that was gonna happen. Y'all already knew. Was I shocked? Of course not. No one's numbers are blocked. I ain't getting no apology. I don't need one, girl. That shit is washed up. Okay. Back to my life. Back to being iconic. And back to you guys being iconic for being so fucking amazing. I think I'm gonna go get Can't Relate tattooed on me. Be right back.